campers did today is we gave them a challenge. We gave them a toy truck. And we said, power this toy truck with a sheet of plastic.
So what the campers and I are working on this year is we're working on creating their designs in CAD. So they're using two different CAD programs. They're using Tinkercad and they're using SolidWorks X Design. And they've done stuff like design some hood ornaments, some license plates for their cars. They've designed the wheel for their car, the bumper, and later today they're going to be designing a hood that goes over their team car.
So we're working on a bumper?
We're making a bumper, and so this is a aluminum foil
with two cotton balls inside?
so it absorbs the impact. And then this thing that Aiden's working on is the thing that absorbs most of the impact. It pushes back, and then that goes right in front.
Right,
And then this should be the whole bumper if it works. And then this is our little test guy.
So today we did an activity where we worked with drag. So the kids were running around with parachutes and they were using these giant fans. And what we were looking at is how can you design your race car so that it's going to go the fastest, has the most aerodynamic design. So we did like relay races with parachutes, and they did paper airplanes that they threw at some fans with streamers on it to represent the airflow.
In the design process, you are never done. There's always something else you can do. There's an improvement you can make. If it doesn't work the first time or the 10th time, no problem at all. You just keep working at it because eventually you'll get it to work. And once you do get to work a little bit, then you tweak it to see, can you make it better? Can you make it better? Can you make it better? And so that was the goal behind this activity, is not only can they make the car be powered by the plastic, but how far, how fast.